Hey y'all, so I love a good gel manicure, especially when it lasts. So let's get into how I do my own gel manicures at home. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to hang out with your girl. If you are new here, hey, my name is Drika, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I'm most definitely who you need in your life, y'all. So first off, I like to go ahead and start off by gathering all of my supplies, and most of my stuff came from Amazon. My file, y'all, it came from Amazon years ago. I don't even know if they still sell the same one, but anyway, I go ahead and grab my sanding bit and start filing down my top coat. And most of the time, depending on what brand of polish I use, the sanding bit will get most of the actual color off too. And y'all, I am not a professional. I do not claim to be a professional, but I do watch and listen to the professionals. And I do believe that practice makes progress. So yeah, and I've been doing my nails now for about a good solid year. Okay, so these are my nails after I get the polish and some of the builder gel off just to debulk it. I'm going in now and pushing my cuticle back so I can get ready to do my favorite part, which is cuticle care. And I don't know, this is so therapeutic to me. Anyway, so I'm going in and I'm going to clean up my cuticles with this little bit. I don't know the name of it. And I also go and remove some of the dead skin off from around my nails. And right here, I just applied some alcohol and getting like the dust and everything off from around there. And now I'm going to go in and shape my nails as best as I can with this nail file. And like I said, y'all, practice made progress. So I have been practicing really hard to get the shape that I want. So now I'm just going in and buffing and smoothing my nails out just so I can get ready to fill in my nails. So now I'm going in with the Agalure Structure Gel in the color Latte, and I really like this color, and I really love the Agalure Builder Gel. And yes, I forgot my protection gloves the first round, but best believe I did go ahead and put those on. Alright, so after you apply your primer, you're going to go in and apply your slip layer, which is just a thin layer of the builder gel to help like maneuver the small or medium bead. It depending on if you're doing a fresh set or a fill-in. Like for me, because I'm doing a fill-in, I don't need a super thick bead because my tips are already thick and I didn't want them to be super thick because this was a previous set. So now I'm going to go in and work my way down back and forth, kind of in a semi U-shaped pattern. Then I'm going to flip my finger over to form the apex and grab the smaller brush to help fill my sides. Flip it again, clean up my sides, and then cure for 60 seconds. And they say do one finger at a time, and I highly advise you to do one finger at a time. I used to use Luminary Builder Gel starting off, and I used that for a good 6 months. And then I seen someone talk about this, so I just wanted to give it a try, and I actually love it. And you can absolutely, like, after you finish doing your Builder Gel fill in or your set, you can literally put it on the top coat and wear this color. I think it is so pretty. So this is how my nails are looking after I fill them in, and as you can see, one of them are not shiny. That's because I had to wipe that with the alcohol and put on my gloves. And now on to the fun part, which is the fun and easy part, which is polishing. And I use the D&D Gothic Grape color, and y'all, at first I was unsure about this color, but I love it. And I have this same color on my toes, and if you haven't seen my at-home pedicure video, I'll link it somewhere so you can check that out. So my first layer is a super thin layer of whatever color that I'm using, and I go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then I apply another layer and cure that for 30 seconds. And depending on what polish I'm using, what brand I'm using, I'll put 3 coats, but for this I just use 2 coats, and I really love D&D nail polish. And when I apply my polish, I like to do my thumb first and go ahead and cure my thumb. And then I do my other 4 fingers and cure all of them at the same time when I'm applying the polish. And just know that it's not going to always be perfect, okay? You may put polish on a fingernail and notice that, dang, it's a piece of lint in there. You could try your best to get it out, but if you can't, just go ahead and get you some alcohol and wipe your nail off and start over. Of course, you don't want to cure your nail because then you have to start all the way from the top, and ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, y'all, this is how I do my nails at home, and I save so much money. Like I said, I haven't stepped foot in a salon in over a year, and I love that for me. And if you feel like you want to do your own nails, research and practice. Watch videos and practice. Buy your product, see what works for you, and if it don't work for you, try something else and practice. And this is the finished look, guys. I didn't do any designs or anything. I just did regular polish, okay? And I love it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and definitely share. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.